Hey guys, this is my recipe for my quick and easy beef and veggies stir fry. Start off by browning your beef in a very hot pan till it is completely cooked through. Next we'll add in some julienne carrots and toss everything together so that it's well combined. Now we'll add in some broccoli florets, making sure to toss everything together again to ensure it's well mixed. Looking good! Next up is the sauce. Make sure you check out the description box for all of the ingredients for the sauce, mix them together and then pour over the beef and veggies. We'll also be adding in some coconut sugar, or you could use brown sugar. And once again, we'll mix everything together to make sure the coconut sugar is dissolved into the sauce and that the sauce is coating all of the ingredients. Serve this stir fry with your favorite rice, quinoa, or noodles. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy and delicious meals, or click on the next video.